Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be walking you through some incredible ways to earn extra money online. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income, save for something special, or even transition to working entirely from home, this comprehensive guide will give you all the information you need to get started on your online earning journey. In today's digital age, earning extra money online has become increasingly accessible, even for those without prior experience. The internet offers so many opportunities that cater to various skills and interests, and I'm excited to share these methods with you today. Let's start with one of the most straightforward methods, participating in online surveys. Companies are eager to gather consumer opinions on their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your feedback. This is a great way to dip your toes into the world of online learning. Websites like YouGov and Prolific allow you to earn money by sharing your thoughts on a wide range of topics. The process is simple: sign up, complete surveys, and receive compensation for your time. While you won't get rich from surveys alone, they're perfect for earning some extra pocket money during your free time. Now, if you enjoy shopping, you might want to consider mystery shopping as a lucrative side hustle. Brands pay individuals to evaluate the quality of their products and services. This often involves making purchases and providing detailed feedback about your experience. Not only do you get reimbursed for your expenses, but you also receive payment for your evaluations. It's essentially getting paid to shop, which sounds like a dream come true for many of us. Just make sure you're working with legitimate mystery shopping companies to avoid potential scams. For those who prefer completing simple tasks, reward sites offer various activities that can be monetized. Platforms like 20cogs pay users to complete tasks such as questionnaires, signing up for offers, or testing products. These tasks are usually straightforward and don't require specialized skills, making them accessible to everyone. The key here is consistency. Completing a few tasks each day can add up to a decent amount of money over time. If you have a flair for writing, freelance writing presents a promising opportunity. Many businesses and individuals seek content creators for blogs, articles, and website copy. The demand for quality content has never been higher, with companies recognizing the importance of engaging their audience through well-written material. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients in need of writing services. With dedication and quality work, you can build a steady stream of income. The beautiful thing about freelance writing is that you can start with small projects and gradually build your portfolio, eventually commanding higher rates for your services. Transcription services are another viable option for those with good listening skills and fast typing. Websites like Reverend.com pay individuals to transcribe audio and video files into text. The work is flexible, allowing you to choose projects that fit your schedule. With practice, you can increase your typing speed and accuracy, enhancing your earning potential. This is particularly suitable for those who can focus for extended periods and have an eye for detail. Many transcriptionists start as beginners and work their way up to specialized fields like legal or medical transcription, which pay significantly higher rates. For those with an eye for detail, website testing can be a rewarding endeavor. Companies pay users to test their websites and provide feedback on user experience, design, and functionality. This helps businesses improve their online presence, making it a win-win situation. Platforms like user testing facilitate these opportunities, offering payment for your insights. Website testing sessions typically last between 15 to 20 minutes, making them perfect for fitting into a busy schedule. Selling products online is a classic method to generate income that has stood the test of time. Platforms like eBay, Etsy, and Facebook Marketplace allow you to sell items you no longer need or products you create. Whether it's vintage clothing, handmade crafts, or collectibles, there's a market for almost anything. This approach not only helps you earn money, but can also help declutter your home or turn a hobby into a profitable venture. Many successful online sellers started by simply clearing out their closets or spare rooms. If you have a talent for photography, consider selling your photos to stock image websites. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock enable photographers to upload their images and earn royalties whenever they're downloaded. High quality, in-demand images can provide a steady income stream. The key to success in stock photography is understanding what types of images are in demand and creating unique content that stands out in a crowded marketplace. Photos depicting business, lifestyle, and technology are particularly popular. Affiliate marketing offers another avenue for earning online without creating products yourself. By promoting products or services through your website, blog, or social media channels, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links. Many companies offer affiliate programs, providing you with the tools to get started. What makes affiliate marketing attractive is that once you've created content with your affiliate links, it can continue to generate income for months or even years to come. It's a form of passive income that can grow substantially over time. Creating and selling online courses is a profitable way to share your expertise and help others learn new skills. If you have knowledge in a particular subject, whether it's programming, cooking, personal finance, or virtually any other topic, you can design courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. With the right marketing, your courses can reach a global audience. The beauty of online courses is that you create them once and can sell them repeatedly, making it a scalable income source. Blogging remains a popular method for earning online, despite being around for decades. By sharing your thoughts, experiences, or expertise on a blog, you can attract readers and monetize your content through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate links. Consistency and quality key content are key to building a successful blog. While it typically takes time to build a substantial audience, the potential for earnings is significant once you've established yourself in your niche. Many successful bloggers earn six-figure incomes from their websites. If you have a significant following on social media, influencer marketing can be a lucrative path. Brands pay influencers to promote their products or services to their audience. Building a genuine connection with your followers can lead to profitable partnerships with various companies. The most successful influencers are those who maintain authenticity and only promote products they genuinely believe in. This helps maintain trust with their audience, which is essential for long-term success in this field. Online tutoring is an excellent option if you excel in a particular subject. Platforms like tutor.com and Chegg connect educators with students seeking assistance. You can set your hours and rates, providing flexibility and control over your workload. With the rise of remote learning, the demand for online tutors has increased dramatically in recent years. Whether you're knowledgeable in mathematics, languages, science, or any other academic subject, there are students who could benefit from your expertise. Virtual assistance is a growing field where businesses hire individuals to help with administrative tasks remotely. Duties can include email management, scheduling, data entry, and more. Websites like Virtual offer opportunities for virtual assistants to connect with clients. This role is perfect for organized individuals who enjoy helping others streamline their work processes. Many virtual assistants start with one or two clients and gradually expand their client base as they gain experience and confidence. Participating in clinical trials is another method to earn money that many people overlook. Research organizations and pharmaceutical companies often seek individuals to participate in studies, offering compensation for your time and participation. It's essential to research and understand the commitments involved before enrolling. Some studies can be completed entirely online, making this an accessible option for earning from home. However, always prioritize your health and safety when considering clinical trials. For those interested in a more hands-on approach that still leverages online platforms, pet sitting or dog walking can be arranged through websites and apps. Services like Rover connect pet owners with caregivers, allowing you to earn money while spending time with animals. This is perfect for animal lovers who want to combine their passion with earning potential. Many pet sitters start by caring for their neighbors or friends' pets and expand their client base through positive reviews and word of mouth. Renting out assets you own is another way to generate income with minimal effort. For example, renting out a spare room, parking space, or even your car can provide additional funds. Platforms like Airbnb facilitate these rentals, connecting you with potential renters. This approach leverages resources you already have, turning them into income-generating assets. Some people have even purchased properties specifically for short-term rentals after seeing success with renting out their own spaces. Creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks, printables, or software, is a scalable way to earn online. Once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly with minimal ongoing effort, providing a passive income stream. This is particularly attractive for creative individuals who enjoy producing content that helps others. For example, a graphic designer might create templates that small business owners can purchase and customize for their brands. Offering freelance services in areas like graphic design, web development, or digital marketing can be highly profitable. Websites like Freelancer and Guru connect freelancers with clients seeking various services. The gig economy continues to grow, with more businesses recognizing the benefits of hiring freelancers for specific projects rather than full-time employees. This creates abundant opportunities for skilled individuals to offer their services online. Creating a YouTube channel and monetizing your videos through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links is another avenue that's grown tremendously in recent years. Consistent, engaging content can attract a large audience, leading to substantial earnings over time. While building a successful YouTube channel requires dedication and patience, the potential rewards are significant. Many YouTubers have turned their channels into full-time careers, earning income from multiple streams associated with their content. Developing mobile applications or games can be a lucrative endeavor if you have programming skills or are willing to learn. The app market continues to grow, with consumers spending billions on apps and in-app purchases each year. While creating an app requires technical knowledge, the potential returns can be substantial if your creation resonates with users. It's important to remember that most of these methods require time, effort, and patience before they generate significant income. The key is to choose activities that align with your skills and interests, making the earning process more enjoyable and sustainable. Many successful online earners combine several of these methods, creating multiple income streams that provide financial stability and growth opportunities. Also, be sure to research any platform or opportunity thoroughly before investing your time or money. Unfortunately, there are scams out there, but with proper research, you can find legitimate opportunities that match your goals and circumstances. I hope this overview has inspired you to explore the vast possibilities for earning money online. Remember, the digital landscape is constantly evolving, offering new opportunities for those willing to adapt and learn. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to build a full-time online career, there's something out there that matches your skills and interests. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content on online earning, digital entrepreneurship, and financial freedom. Drop a comment below, letting me know which of these methods you're most interested in trying, or share your own experiences with earning money online. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into some of these methods and provide step-by-step guidance to help you get started. Until then, happy earning.